Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English, topic number 4, nouns. Students, everything around us has a name, such as people, places, animals, things. So all naming words are called nouns. Students, we know that everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. Now look at this example. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here, Nikki is the name of a person. Dog is the name of an animal. Football is the name of a thing. And garden is the name of a place. So students, we know that a name can be common or special. A special name of a noun is called a proper noun. So here, Nikki is proper noun because it is a special name of a person. Now here are some of the examples of proper nouns. First, Ricky is the name of a person. Pluto is the name of an animal. Red Fort is the name of a place. And Coca-Cola is the name of a thing. And students, as you can see, proper noun always begin with capital letter. And students, in this sentence, dog, football, garden are common nouns. A common noun is the word that names a class of a person, animal, place or things. For example, lawyer, country, dog, town. These are some of the examples of common noun. Next is collective noun. A collective noun is the word that names a group of people, animals, places or things. Now let us look at an example. The zebra strayed away from its herd. Now in this sentence, zebra is the common noun and herd is the collective noun because herd is the name given to a collection of zebra. Some of the examples of collective nouns are flight, bunch, class, group. For example, class of students, then bunch of grapes. So these are some of the examples of collective nouns. Next is the abstract noun. An abstract noun is the word that names a quality, feeling, idea or condition of someone or something that cannot be touched. An abstract noun is uncountable. Now let us look at this example. He is a man of wisdom. So in this sentence, wisdom is abstract nouns. Can we touch wisdom? No. So it is an abstract noun. Some of the examples of abstract nouns are kindness, youth, anger, childhood. So students, abstract noun is a name given to a quality, a concept, an idea, an expression or a feeling. Underline and identify the kinds of noun. First, Rahul is in the cab. So students, which is the noun here? Yes, Rahul and cab. And can you identify the kinds of noun? Rahul is proper noun and cab is common noun. Second, honesty is the best policy. So now honesty is the noun and it is an abstract noun. Third, the police dispersed the crowd. So police and crowd. Now police is common noun and crowd is collective noun. Point out the nouns from the passage and mention their kinds. Once upon a time in the country of Japan lived a knot of frogs. Among them, two were very close friends. One of them made his home in a ditch near the town of Osaka on the east coast, while the other dwelt in a clear little stream in the city of Kyoto. One day, they had an idea to see the world. So the two frogs packed all their things and went to visit the palace where the king Mikado lived. So students, here you have to point out the nouns from the passage. In this table, you have to mention their kinds. For example, country is a noun. So underline country here. Then in this table, under nouns, write country. And the kind is common noun. So write common noun. So students, in this way, you have to point out all the nouns and write their kinds in this table. Now let us look at these nouns. 1 pencil, 7 pencils, 2 caps, 4 caps. The nouns cap and pencil can be counted. So they are called countable nouns. Countable nouns are preceded by a and the, one and two. For example, a bag, an igloo, 3 mice. So students, countable nouns take plural forms. For example, a candle, 2 candles, an oyster, 3 oysters. Words such as a few and many are used before countable nouns. For example, a few letters, many parts. Fill in the blanks with the words in the box. Use each word only once. So now here we have to fill in the blanks with the words in the box. And we have to use each word only once. So now let us look at the first sentence. The girl has to buy dash gift for the party. So which will be the correct option for this? Yes, the girl has to buy a gift for the party. Second, my brother has dash toys. So my brother has an toys? No. My brother has many toys? Yes. So my brother has many toys. Third, the chief guest spoke dash words. So chief guest spoke an words? No. Chief guest spoke 4 words? No. The chief guest spoke a few words. Yes. So a few words. Are you ready with dash answer? So, are you ready with an answer? Yes. So, an. Dash peacocks danced in my garden before the rain. So, 4 peacocks danced in my garden before the rain. Bring some juice. So, students, can you count juice? Can you count some juice? No. I need more money. Can you count more money? How much is it? No. So the highlighted words some juice and more money cannot be counted. They are called uncountable nouns. So students, the nouns which you cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns do not form plurals. We use words such as much, little and enough before uncountable nouns. So these words are used before uncountable nouns. Now let us look at some more examples of uncountable nouns. Students, previously we learned that abstract noun is uncountable, right? So abstract nouns like sorrow, strength, happiness are uncountable nouns. Then metals and materials like iron and copper, food and drinks like coffee, wheat and flour. So these are some of the examples of uncountable nouns. Write whether these nouns are countable or uncountable. So now here these nouns are given and we have to write whether they are countable or uncountable. So first is egg. So can we count egg? Yes. So it is countable. Can we count dog? Yes. So it is countable. So now can we count milk? No. So it is uncountable. Can we count bread? Yes. Countable. Flour? Countable. Can we count water? No. So it is uncountable. Now students, remember, we use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. So for example, there aren't many boys in our class. So now here in this sentence, boys are countable. So we used many in the sentence. Second, there isn't much water in the pool. Now here water is uncountable. So we used much. Fill in the blanks with many or much. First sentence. How dash salt do you need? So now here the correct option will be much, because salt is uncountable noun. So we used much. There are dash pens on the table. Pens we can count, so there are many pens on the table. This dog has dash puppies. We can count, so it will be many. There is 2 dash food in the refrigerator. Can you count the food? No. So there are much food in the refrigerator. Dash students gathered at the stadium. So the correct option is many.